Hello everyone, my name is Anton, and in this video I'm going to give a quick tip for when you're exporting to PDF and you want to have a new page and you don't have enough text to create a new page. So if we go in here into this example, let's type this is page 1 text. And maybe you have some other text, and to fill in the blanks you either put spaces or maybe some other text. And let's say this is page 2 text, and what you're trying to do here is create a new page from the first one. And let's see what happens here. If we go to export this to PDF, export will keep the same defaults here. And let's switch over to the PDF document. And if we switch over to the PDF document, you can see the spaces were completely ignored. So if we switch over to the Obsidian, and we can see that there's a number of different lines here, but they're not honored when you do the export to PDF. So how do we get around this? So to get around this, all we need to do is add a bit of HTML code in here, and that will fix our problem. So let's go back up here. We'll remove all the spaces. And what we'll do is we'll drop this HTML code in here. Let's just give it a little space just to clean it up here. So we have this bit of HTML code. You can copy this here. And in between that code, we have this /page break. Now, with this in there, what's going to happen is that it's going to go ahead, and when you export it, it's going to honor this page break here, even though it is in HTML. The Markdown supports this, so we should be good. So now all we have is this is page 1. We have one space or one new line in between. We have the code with the page break, and then we have the this is page 2 text. Now let's go ahead and export that and see what we get. We'll keep the default settings. And we will save. And when it opens up, we can see now that we have 2 pages. So if we scoot this over a little bit, we have on one page, the top page here, this is page 1. And in the second page, we have this is page 2. Okay, so I hope this tip helped. You can hit pause on the screen and copy this piece of text and add it into any of your docs where you want to have a page break. And even though this HTML div tag here with the page break is, you can see it in the plain text. Even if we go to the preview, let's switch over to preview, you'll see that it doesn't show up in the document. So this is really nice. It hides that piece of code from the preview, and you don't see that piece of code when you do the export to PDF as well. Well, I hope this was helpful. Again, my name is Anton. If you found this information helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. And until the next time, have a nice day.